Okay, historic homes, specifically Los Gatos, California. If you own a home in Los Gatos, California, or you're looking at purchasing a home in Los Gatos, California, check the date if it's old, because anything pre 1941 is going to be considered historic automatically. I know all our friends in Europe are cracking up at us that anything pre 1941 is historic. I mean, but you have to consider, neighborhoods built in the late 1800s. That's our medieval village. So pre 1941 is automatically considered historic unless it has specifically been removed from the town's historic registry. Um, so what does that mean to be historic? So either it represents a significant example of that style of home. Say it's a craftsman and it's like the perfect craftsman and it was built in the 20s. That's going to be historic for sure. Our path to having it removed from the historic registry is, say the house has been altered over the years. Windows have been replaced and they're now aluminum, or somebody did a funky addition at some point. That's a potential path to have it removed from the historic registry. So let's say you own a historic home, you want to remodel it. What can we do? We can do an interior remodel. You got to go straight to the building department. We can replace windows like for like. So existing configuration, existing size, location. So say your windows have been painted shut, or they've rusted shut, or they just don't work anymore, panes are broken, things like that. We can replace those windows and their exact configuration. That the planning department will review it, make sure we're actually doing that, and then through the building department. If we want to alter windows, change openings, that goes through the Historic Preservation Committee first, the HPC, then through planning, and then through building. Same thing for an addition or wanting to do anything altered. So um, hope that helps. If you have any questions, if you have been through the process in Los Gatos, let me know how it went. If you have any questions about how to navigate that process, let me know. If you would like to see another video about more information about getting a historic report, getting an archaeological report, if any of that interests you, let me know and hope to hear from you soon. Thanks.